Amazon Echo Dot won't respond to Wi-Fi connection, or it can get no internet connection at times. If you have taken your Echo Dot to another location with different Wi-Fi, it won't work properly. So you can change the Wi-Fi connection to fix the issue. Want to know how you can change the Wi-Fi connection of Amazon Echo Dot? Here we will show you how to do it. Open Alexa app. Tap Device from the bottom menu. Select Echo and Alexa. Select your Echo Dot. Tap Status. Tap Change beside Wi-Fi. You will get this screen. Now long press on the setup button on the Echo Dot until the orange light appears and it will be in the setup mode.
Now in setup mode. Follow the instructions in your Alexa app.
Tap Continue. You will see Amazon device on the screen. Tap on it. Now select the Wi-Fi network you want. Enter your password. Tap Connect. Wait for the connection to be completed. Tap Continue. And the Wi-Fi will be changed in the Amazon Echo Dot. So guys, this is the way you can change the Wi-Fi network on Amazon Echo Dot 4th generation. It will work on any Amazon Echo Dot. Thanks for watching the video. If you have any query on the topic, let us know in the comment box. Thank you.